Most people buy jewelries based on emotions. Smart investors buy jewelry businesses based on margins, trust, and scale. Same industry, two very different bets. This isn't about brand loyalty, it's about business fundamentals. Let's break down Tanishq versus Kalyan Jewelers with actual numbers. Tanishq plays the trust first game. Premium positioning, clean branding, and customers willing to pay extra for credibility. Kalyan plays the scale first game. More stores, deeper reach into Tier 2 and Tier 3 India, and aggressive regional marketing. But here where it gets interesting. In the market side, Tanishq is valued far higher. Tanishq, through Titan, sits at market cap of roughly rupees 3.4 to rupees 3.6 lakh crore, while Kalyan Jewellers trade closer to rupees 35,000 to rupees 40,000 crore. The gap tells you something important. The market plays a premium brand for trust and margin consistency, not just store count. Now let's talk about revenue and growth. Kalyan has been growing faster on top line, with quarterly revenues crossing rupees 4,500 to rupees 5,000 crore, driven by rapid store expansion and wedding demand. Tanishq Jewellers segments delivers much absolute revenues, but growth is steadier and more controlled because it already dominates premium urban markets. So while Kalyan grows by adding stores, Tanishq grows by selling higher value jewelries per customer. Now, profitability. This is where the real difference shows up. Tanishq operates with healthy operating margins in the 10 to 12% range, thanks to pricing power, inventory discipline, and strong brand trust. Kalyan runs on much thinner margins, roughly 4 to 6%, because scale becomes with discounting, higher logistic cost, and price sensitive customers. So, who actually wins? If India's jewelry market keeps premiumizing and customers count paying for trust, Tanishq wins. If growth comes first from deeper Bharat, weddings, and rapid expansion, Kalyan wins. Same sector, two very different bets. If you want more data-driven business breakdowns like this, subscribe to Markets by Motilal Oswal.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.